I'm Dr. Maryam Horiyat, a holistic, biological, integrative, and cosmetic dentist in Orange County of California. Today I'm going to talk about how to find a true biological and holistic dentist, because many of our patients says that they have gone to another dental office and they were told that their dentist was a biological or holistic dentist. Later on, our patient found out that their dentist was not a truly holistic dentist, so they get very frustrated and disappointed because they didn't receive the dental work they expected, and sometimes they have to redo and repay to another holistic dentist to fix their oral health problems. For example, our patient get disappointed when they found out that their amalgam or mercury fillings were not removed safely, or they still have mercury or amalgam filling left under their new restoration, such as new crowns and fillings. Some of our patients says that their dentist, who claim to be a biological dentist, persists in placing fluoride or arresting antibiotic after their gum cleaning, and they were not even given options of advanced laser treatment or natural ozone therapy. Some of our patients says that they have new titanium implants that have metal alloys for their missing teeth, and their previous dentist didn't even give them the options of ultra biocompatible metal-free zirconia dental implants. Or their previous dentist never gave them the options of biocompatibility tests to find out what dental materials are safe or non or less reactive to their bodies. Some of our patients says that have previous extractions and root canal done, and after months their CT scan still shows cavitation. Their dentist never told them that they had bite or occlusion issues that's causing them tension headaches, neck pain, jaw pain, ringing ears, and even tiredness and fatigue. Some of our patients says that they took their children to a holistic dentist and they were only given the options of a baby root canal and stainless steel metal crowns. Or their previous holistic dentist never informed them that their child has a physiological issues such as mouth breathing, lip ties, tongue ties, or upper and lower jaw skeletal growth issues. Now the question is how to find a true biological or holistic dentist who practices homeopathy and has integrative dental office with advanced digital technologies such as home beam CT scan, digital x-rays, digital scanning, ozone machine, and various laser machines. A dental office that offers biocompatible, biomimetic, fluoride-free, BPA-free, metal-free dentistry. Yes, there are many dentists or dental offices that practice conventional dentistry and they market that they're holistic and or biological dentists, but they're not truly holistic dentists. We at Aria Dental only believe in one philosophy, and that is holistic dentistry, and we follow all the protocols of International Academy of Oral Medicine Toxicology, IABDM, Ozone Association, and Holistic Dental Board. We do not deviate to conventional dentistry that introduce our patient to toxicity and possible medical conditions. Our focus is to look for the root cause of your issues rather than just treating your symptoms. Now the question is how to search for a true biological dentist. If you wanted to choose a true biological dentist, you could go to website of holistic and biological organizations such as IOMT.org or IABDM.org or holisticdental.org and choose your preferred dentist. In this organization, some dentists are only members and pay for their membership to be listed, and some dentists have extended their training and education and have become accredited or fellow dentists in these organizations. If you want more information about holistic and biological dentistry, please subscribe below for our future videos.